Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful collaboration and productivity platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, including project management, task management, and data analysis. But before I get into the specifics of Smartsheet, I want to start with a question. Does Smartsheet work like Excel? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and the answer is both yes and no. Smartsheet does have a lot of similarities to Excel, but it also has some unique features that make it a powerful tool for collaboration and productivity. In this video, I'm going to explore the similarities and differences between Smartsheet and Excel, and I'll also show you how to use Smartsheet to create a simple spreadsheet. Similarities between Smartsheet and Excel. Interface. Smartsheet has a similar interface to Excel, with rows, columns, and cells. Formulas. Smartsheet supports a variety of formulas, including SUM, average, and if. Filtering and sorting. Smartsheet allows you to filter and sort data by columns. Charts and graphs. Smartsheet can be used to create charts and graphs, such as bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs. Differences between Smartsheet and Excel. Collaboration. Smartsheet is designed for collaboration, while Excel is not. Smartsheet allows multiple users to edit and collaborate on the same spreadsheet at the same time. Tasks. Smartsheet has a powerful task management system that allows you to create tasks, assign tasks to team members, and track the progress of tasks. Workflows. Smartsheet allows you to create workflows to automate tasks and processes. Automation. Smartsheet has a number of automation features that can help you save time and improve productivity. How to use Smartsheet to create a simple spreadsheet. Now that you know a little bit about the similarities and differences between Smartsheet and Excel, let's take a look at how to use Smartsheet to create a simple spreadsheet. Create a new Smartsheet sheet. Add columns to your sheet. Enter data into your columns. Use formulas to calculate values in your sheet. Filter and sort your data. Create charts and graphs to visualize your data. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including project management, task management, and data analysis. While it has some similarities to Excel, it also has some unique features that make it a powerful tool for collaboration and productivity. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of Smartsheet and how it can be used to help you be more productive. Additional tips. If you're new to Smartsheet, I recommend watching some tutorials to learn more about the features and functionality of the platform. There are a number of online communities and forums where you can get help and support from other Smartsheet users. Smartsheet offers a variety of training and certification programs. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, I encourage you to check out their website or sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.